If you need to recover your US bank account but don't have access to your email, follow these straightforward steps to regain access quickly. Step 1. Gather your information. Collect all necessary information related to your account, such as your account number, social security number, and any recent transactions. This will help verify your identity during the recovery process. Step 2. Call customer service. Dial the US Bank customer service number. You can find this on the US Bank website or your bank statement. Be prepared to provide your personal information for verification. Step 3. Verify your identity. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Request account recovery. After your identity is verified, request assistance with recovering your account. The representative will guide you through the process, which may include resetting your password or updating your contact information. Step 5. Follow up. After the recovery process, ensure you can access your account. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to call customer service again for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your US bank account without needing access to your email. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to customer support for additional help.